Ale si ukaž svaly.
Dedicated to everybody that's out there, got somebody special, man. Real love is hard to come by. So if you got it, you best cherish it. Feel me? Yo, what's the deal, love? I know it's been a minute since I set aside time just for us to kick it. But you know how it is in this biz. You gotta go and make paper from these numerous gigs, but you the reason why I keep it going. The threshold to my honor, a privilege that I'm blessed to know it. Even through rain, hell and snowing, regardless to the stress, you still push to keep the love flowing. I done had a share of love that then came and went, lacking the patience it takes to build an establishment. You're like a diamond in the rough to a cave of wonders. You got the treasure that can split a man's heart asunder. When the world starts to rain and thunder, you're the bridge of support that I go and seek shelter under. From cold winters to the hot summers, you're the love that I cherish indeed. It ain't no need to wonder. If you think I ain't feeling your scene, I urge you by all means just. When you think the communication is low, when you just wanna know, just. When you wondering if I ever miss you whenever I'm not with you, just. And that's my word, regardless to our problems in the world, just know that you will always be my. We disagree on a lot of topics, but life itself is a test sometimes. You gotta weigh your options. I use a vision that's microscopic when it comes to our family's future within the world of carnage. I never thought I could cherish something as special, so I thank my Lord on the daily that he won't send you. And my life is my blessing of found.
Teprve to bude náročnější. Štěpán, jaký máš pocity? Jo, víč, jaký máš pocity? Easy, viď? Ale si pověď sám něco.
To bylo hovno.
Kdo ne?
Kdybyste viděli Grimming,
Co dělou násek?
Mně se IQ snížilo tak o 100, vole.
Počkej, to nejde už, ale snížit se, vole. Trošku pohybu, vole. Ano, správně.
Maraton David Good.
And that's my word, regardless to our problems in the world, just know that you will always be my real love. Yeah.
Čeká nás obrovský kopec, tak jsme si dali něco malinkýho. Pepkovi dali. Co to je? Klíča, to je těžší než ty vole.
Ale ještě co vám povíš tomu? Vylište mi prdel, vole. A ty čuráky. Na Tenerife, vole. Bych dal do ruky úhloměr, vole. Aby pochopili, že stavět silnici do pravýho úhle není moc dobrý, vole. To je cajk.
A tak jsem tady uklíčil mistra.
Ale bylo to náročný, ale když jsem to dal já, to dá každý.
Dobře. Tak Aleši, pohled, to se těším, co vymyslíš.
Na Tenerife scháněj kokoty na údržbu parku, vole, tak se hlaste, vole, je to na píču placený, ale je to kurva potřeba, vole.
Co k tomu říct, bylo to úplně v pohodě, oproti Islandu hovno.
Zubnu jsem asi tak 10 kg a znovu bych to rozhodně nešel, takže příští rok nic. Vylište mě prdel.
To bylo hovno, kdyby další akce.
Máme novou káru, čuráku.
Mně to tam nejde přidat ty fotky, vole. Máš to povolený. No, bude. To tě neruš, vole. To dělám čuku bolíto. To udělali čuka bolíto. Slabá konstrukce.
Yes!